Matakatifu yanafundisha kwamba ndoa ni ya ulimwengu mzima na kwamba ni mfano wa umoja mtakatifu kati yake Kristo na kanisa lake. Kwa sababu hiyo, ndoa isiingiwe kwa mzaha au bila fikra nyingi.
Hi, I'm Susan Kimani. Yeah, I know Marianne and Kiambi both. Tuko church moja. One character about Marianne and Kiambi that they share, wanapenda kucheka. And I love that about them because hawa watu watafurahia and they will be happy. Any circumstance that come, wata make sure wako happy. Alafu, Marianne is a caring person. She has a lot in her and she brings joy in the house. What I want to wish you too is happiness and love. Above all, watu mpenda. Mimi nawapenda personally and I can't wait to see how this marriage is going to be. Tunangoja hadi hao watoto. Toodles.
Hi, I'm the bride.
Na kairitu kau nĩ ndikarerete wega na mĩtugo mĩega na nĩkĩo aheithĩtie gĩtĩo mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ. Na wetagwo Marianne Wangari Kamau. Ndamwendithirie maũndũ mega, mathi make mũciĩ wao wega, Ngai amarathime na maramĩrie mĩaka.
Kairitu nyendete mũno na ndaigua mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ nĩ gegũthengera. Ona gũtuĩka Ngai nĩ atuire mũndũ agũtũra he mũciari. Ndaigua ndĩna gĩkeno nĩ ũndũ wa gũkorwo matukũ marĩa ndĩmũrerete kana mũtũrĩre ũrĩa tũtũrĩte nake nĩ harĩ handũ wanyumĩrĩria mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ.
Kiambi Kelvin.
I, Marianne Wangari Kamau,
Take you, Wangari Marianne, to be my wife. I promise before God and this congregation to be a faithful and a loving husband to you.
I promise before God and before this congregation to be a faithful and loving wife to you in times of ease or times of hardship,
in times of prosperity or times of poverty,
in times of illness or times of good health, to love you and to make you happy with what I have now and that I shall have in days to come, until
death do us part with the help of the Lord.
Thank you.